Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have a question that appeared in the Civil Services Main Exam 2022 Compulsory English Paper. We'll be discussing the sentence and making necessary corrections to ensure grammatical accuracy. So, let's dive right in. The given sentence is, every man, woman and child were rescued. Pause the video and think if the sentence requires any corrections. Now, let's analyze this sentence. The word every in the sentence is a determiner. Determiners are words that come before nouns and provide information about them. When we use the words each or every to modify a subject, it indicates that we are talking about each individual separately. According to a grammar rule, if a subject is modified by the words each or every, that subject is considered singular. In our sentence, since we are referring to every man, every woman, and every child individually, we need to use a singular verb form. Therefore, to make the sentence grammatically correct, we should say every man, woman, and child was rescued. Here, was is the correct verb form because it agrees with the singular subject, every man, woman, and child. To summarize, the original sentence, every man, woman, and child were rescued, needed a correction. By applying the grammar rule that subjects modified by every or each are singular, we change the verb were to was to match the subject. We hope you found this explanation helpful in understanding the correction needed in the given sentence. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay curious and keep exploring languages.